Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your E60 M5 reliable. Start by assessing engine, cooling, and suspension condition to prioritize fixes. Gather service history and scan for codes to guide repairs. Budget for common items like vanos, oil cooler, and cooling hoses to avoid breakdowns. Plan regular oil changes, scheduled belt replacements, and prompt fluid flushes. Keep parts receipts and a simple maintenance log for future owners. Check Vano's operation and replace worn seals to restore smooth torque delivery in the S85 V10. Use high-quality 10W60 or manufacturer-recommended oil and change it every 5,000 miles or sooner with spirited driving. Replace the oil pump and pickup if oil pressure fluctuates. Repair valve cover and oil pan leaks quickly to prevent oil starvation and damage. Confirm drivetrain mounts and differential. The cooling system must be refreshed proactively to avoid overheating in the E60 M5. Replace the water pump, thermostat, and high-pressure hoses before failure and bleed the system properly. Inspect and refresh suspension bushings, control arms, and shocks to maintain predictable handling. Upgrade to braided stainless brake lines and high-quality pads for consistent pedal feel. Keep tires properly inflated and aligned to extend component life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.